How to make a natural weed killer. Getting rid of weeds in your yard may seem like a losing battle, especially if you have concerns about toxic chemicals used in commercial weed killers. The health of your children or small pets may be more than you are willing to risk. However, there are natural alternatives available that work just as well. You can make your own weed killer with common household products that are safe and inexpensive too. Things you'll need: 4 quarts distilled vinegar, 1 sea salt, 1 tablespoon dish detergent, spray bottle. Place 4 quarts of distilled vinegar in a large pan and heat just until it begins to boil. Turn the burner off. Avoid directly inhaling the fumes. Although they are not dangerous, the fumes from heated vinegar can be overpowering. Add 1 cup of salt and stir until the salt crystals are completely dissolved. Add a tablespoon of dish detergent to the solution and mix well. The dish detergent serves to help the solution adhere to leaves and stems long enough for the vinegar and salt to kill the plant. Allow the solution to cool and pour into a spray bottle. Apply directly to the plants you wish to kill. This solution will kill any vegetation it comes in contact with. Tips: warnings. Saturate a cloth with the solution and coat the leaves of any weeds you wish to kill to avoid accidentally spraying other garden plants. Store the solution in a marked container out of the reach of children and pets. Although it is non-toxic, it can irritate the skin and will cause nausea if ingested. Avoid saturating the soil.